today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in ERPNext. Changing the interface language can make ERPNext much easier and more comfortable to use, especially if you're working in a multilingual team or supporting users in different regions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and by the end, your ERPNext account will be displayed in the language you prefer. Let's start from your ERPNext dashboard or any page you're currently on after logging in. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your profile icon. This might be represented by your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon, depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your user account. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled My Settings. This is where you can customize many aspects of your personal experience in ERPNext, such as your name display, email preferences, and of course, your language. Click on My Settings to open your user settings page. Once the settings page loads, take a moment to locate the section that deals with language. The exact position can vary slightly depending on your ERPNext version or theme, but it's usually in the main part of the page, alongside other personal details. You'll see a field labeled Language, or something very similar, with a drop-down or selection box next to it. Click on that language drop-down. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through and find your preferred language. When you see the one you want, click to select it. This tells ERPNext which language to use for menus, labels, and most of the interface text you see on screen. If you're supporting a team, it's a good idea to agree on a common language so everyone sees roughly the same interface. After selecting your language, don't leave the page yet. Your changes will not take effect until you save them. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right area of the settings page. Click on Save to confirm and apply your new language settings. Give ERPNext a moment to update. The interface should refresh, and you'll notice that the menus and labels are now displayed in the language you selected. If you don't see an immediate change, try refreshing your browser. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in